Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall discuss with you about chapter 18, area of a trapezium and a polygon. Area of a trapezium and a polygon. Important formula of this chapter is first formula, area of a triangle. Area of a triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Short form is 1 by 2 into b into h. From this formula, formula number 2 is base of a triangle equal to 2 into area by height. Formula number 3, height of a triangle equal to 2 into area of a triangle by base. Formula number 4, area of an equilateral triangle. Area of an equilateral triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. In short form, root 3 by 4 into a square, where a is the side of a triangle. Formula number 5, area of an isosceles triangle. Area of an isosceles triangle equal to 1 by 4 into base into under root 4 into equal side square. 4 into equal side square minus base square. Minus base square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formula. Understand and write it. Next, formula number 6. Formula number 6, Hero's formula. Hero's formula. In this formula, it is common formula of find the area of triangle in which given three sides, all three sides, then triangle ABC, the opposite side of vertex A is a small a, the opposite side of vertex B is a small b, the opposite side of vertex C is a small c. So first of all find semi perimeter. S is the semi perimeter equal to perimeter by 2. P by 2 equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Therefore, area of triangle ABC, under root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now formula number 7, area of a trapezium. Write it. Area of a trapezium. Area of a trapezium. A B C D B. A B C D be a trapezium. AB side AB parallel CD. Let side AB means a small a, and side CD suppose a small b. And DM height, altitude also, and CN also height. So find area of trapezium. It is divided by two triangles. Area of dry diagonal AC. So trapezium ABCD divided into two triangle. Area of trapezium ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. This is also H. Area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD equal to 1 by 2 into ABC. Area of triangle ABC in which BC is AB into CN plus area of triangle ACD. In ACD, BC is base is CD into DM. That implied equal to 1 by 2 into AB is a small a into CN H plus 1 by 2 into CD a small b into DM H equal to 1 by 2 into common H. So A plus B into H. That means area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides sum of parallel sides. 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. One formula. Formula number 1. Formula number 2. Area of trapezium equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. In short form, 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. Next formula is sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel sides equal to 2 into area of trapezium by height. And formula number 3, height equal to 2 into area divided by sum of parallel sides. This important formula of this chapter. Understand and write it. Students, today your homework is remember, define and formula. Thank you. That's all.